Welcome to Best RV YouTube channel. Today I'm going to presenting the brand new 2025 Forest River 42 veranda. I'm going to show you all the features and the benefit of this model. This model is amazing because first time they make this kind of layout with a lot of extra features. So it's a perfect for somebody who want to buy this unit and live in it, or put it next to a lake, next to a river, and use it as a camping spot. Is a perfect for it. Now, the reason why they call it 42 veranda for a major reason is for this here outside. So they're bringing the outside living to inside your trailers. So rather you be like sitting on the gravels, on the grass, and barbecue, socialize with your friends. Now they make it in a special veranda for you, or you could say a balcony for you, or you could say a special rear patio with the full outdoor kitchen. And that's what the concept of it is. So you have the outdoor living, they bring it inside, and then they have the outdoor patio system, they bring it to inside, and you don't have the two-step going up and down if they don't have that section. Because imagine if they don't have that section, where that going to be sectioned? It's going to be on the dirt, on the grass, and you're going three-step in, three-step out. Whereas here you could barbecue, you could enjoy your outdoors, and just one step you're in the living room. So they're bringing the outdoor living inside your trailer. It's a new concept they're using right now on the veranda models, and we got the first 42 veranda at Best RV and at Best RV channel on YouTube, and we would like to show you the features coming in. The reason why veranda is very important is for this section here. This is the most important thing about the veranda, because the veranda they're giving you, it's a nice patio system with outdoor kitchens, or you could say balcony, or you could say outdoor living inside the living. And that's what's amazing about the veranda. And they did it right, which is, I could not believe it, how they did the slide here. So you can see it's a big size, and you're gonna tell me now when I'm traveling, I don't want this big size. This section over here where I'm standing, and I'll demonstrate it for you. This section go inside when you're traveling, and when you are not traveling, this side is go outside. So if you look here, I want you to look at this, and I'm gonna demonstrate how this side is moving. So if you look to this side, then I go inside and I turn a switch, and that side, as you see, is moving. Look at it. So it go up of the floor and slide in. So when you are traveling, all you have to do is just close half the patio system. So half the patio of the system is a slide in when you're traveling, and it will be in a closed positions. And when you get to your spot by the lake, by the river, as you see, as you notice, look, half of it is completely walked in. So now I have half the size of the patio is inside. Now, when I get to my spot, I open the patio, so the half go outside, and then now I have full patio system outside, flush floor, so you don't have to worry about stepping in anything. No, I mean, it's very slick. The one who created is very smart guy, because right now I have full patio. Look at it, it's flush floor, and I give you more space. As well, this patio system has a ceiling fan for if it's a really hot day. And they solve the issue in the hot day. You're gonna tell me, are they gonna sit in the sun? No. Look, here's up. They have mist. So they make, if I turn the water here, there will be a mist coming with the ceiling fan to cool off that area. And then you have a full outdoor. This is a solid metal, it's power coated, it's not rusted. You see, it does not rust. And I just open this, voila. Show me a unit come with a big grill like this. Show me a unit come with complete. Even when you buy a house, brand new house, they don't come with outdoor kitchen. But this veranda, this trailer come with everything. It has a nice gray stone, nice big grill, nice counter spot. I have full sink, so if I want a fresh water to wash my hands, I could do that. They come even say, where is my fridge for beer? Wait a minute, it's right here. I have full fridge and a freezer even, and there's also my even storage and a full water filtration system. You can see right there. So I have completely outdoor kitchen. I could cook, I could grill, I do my barbecue, I could wash my dishes, I could get my cold drink, and all of it outside. And as well, they give you 2 power awnings. So this unit, as you see here, you have 1 power awning in this side, and then there's another power awning in the other side. It's very slick. If somebody like the outdoors, somebody who like camping with a lot of outdoor activities, outdoor living, that's a perfect unit for him. Plus, it's still giving you the full living inside. So if you come inside, follow me here, it's amazing. We are inside the 42 veranda. As you see, the veranda is still giving you the same stuff as the big Wildwood Lodge destination. So any destination trailer has this feature, the veranda has it. As you see, I love the big solid surface countertop. As you see, very solid countertop with 4 bar stools. So I could sit here, they could serve me food, and I could sit here and eating at the same time watching the TV and a beautiful fireplace. So giving you a large kitchen counter space. They have really nice sink with the 3 faucets. I mean, one is the high-rise faucet, one is the waterfall, one is the cup wash, 3 different fixture for the sink. It's amazing. And then it's still giving you the big full refrigerator residential, and you have side-by-side doors, and you have big fridge and ice maker. So actually in this unit it has 2 refrigerators, one outside on the balcony and one inside, as well giving you the residential microwave. Look how big it is, the 30-inch. The biggest stove and oven in the RV industry, 4-burner range with a big residential oven. Huge counter space on the left. There's a lot of room to prep foods, as well huge doors. I mean, we have even more. And then ladies, they always say complaining, oh, pantry. Wait a minute, they give you a big sliding pantry with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves. You can put all kinds of foods, all cereals. And then you still have the storage around the microwave and storage above. As well, you still have the storage underneath the sink. Again, no worries, there's a place for trash can. That's a plus. So all the kitchen amenities here, it's the same amenities in any destination you ever think about it, and any high-end fifth house. Now we come to the living room. The living room, as you see, the advantage for you is give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seats, people. So I could set 4 on the kitchen counter. I could put 4 to 5 here. The nice thing, they're facing the TV. It's a smart TV over there, as well. Gray stone, nice high-end fireplace. I mean, those same as the model homes. And you see all these windows with all these shades. Now there are people, they say, well, I'm short guy, I can't reach these blinds. But the beauty about the veranda, it's all electric. So if you notice here, I have one switch. I could raise all these shades in one single switch, as you see here in the demonstrations. Look how bright it is. Look amazing. Look, all these windows, very bright. Does not look open. Does not look closed, sorry. Look very open. Then you could see things what happen in your balcony. You're bringing the outdoor living. As you see, you bring the outdoor living inside. So if it's easy for me to grab something from that fridge. I have people party sitting in the balcony outside. I have people sitting here watching a game. I have people sitting here at the counter. Look how many things I could do. People sit and eat on this counter. People sitting here with their drink watching a game. People going inside grabbing their hamburgers from the barbecue, cooking outside, cooking inside. amazing. And the nice thing, which is, I mean, I should show you in the beginning, but this is amazing what you're gonna see in upstairs. Upstairs is like unique. I mean, whoever thought about it, how you could get another bedroom, because the veranda 42 is a 2-bedroom apartment or 2-bedroom house. So you have a full queen bed in the top, full king size bed at the bottom, and then they have a kids. I wish I have my kids here. They're gonna love what they see at the top, and they have a really nice gaming. I call it gaming room for the kids where they could sit, play their Xbox. It's amazing. Follow me here. So it has really nice solid step, so you don't have easy to get in, easy to come out. And then you have a nice loft bed. I could walk to it, as you see, and come over here. And it's actually 2 king size bed. I apologize, this is a king size and there's a king size at the bottom. A lot of storage here. Come with the TV. So I have my air condition for the loft area. I have my storage. I have all the front is the storage shelves for books, games. But the funniest thing is, and not the funniest, is the smart thing they use is this. Now I could put my seat and I could eat here if I want to, or I could set those 2 chairs next to the table and I could sit, play cars. The kids, they could sit here, play cars. They do their homework if they live in the unit. They could do whatever they want. So it's a 2-bedroom with a nice balcony in the back, huge kitchen, huge living room, a lot of storage places. I mean, over here, back, down. But I like this area. I mean, I could sit here, play cards, play games. And then if I have another people in the trailer, they want to sit, I could go bring this chair. Look, watch. I could put those 2 here. I should buy this one for my house. And I could play game. I could sit here, watch a movie if I want to. Or I could take this chair, scoop it this way, and scoop it. Voila. Perfect. Same level. Nothing too high, not too small. That's smart. It's a very smart idea. I could sit here, play cards. I could do drawing, do my own homework, my laptop. There's the power here. I could sit, watch movie if I want to. It's a perfect setup. I mean, it's amazing. And also, if you don't have kids and you just want to buy it for storage, all this is the storage in a 2nd bedroom. Now, let me show you the bedroom downstairs. As you know, all the Wildwood Lodge and Wildwood Veranda, they always come with the tilted bed. So this bed is electric. On one switch, I could bring it flat, or one switch, I could raise it up. Versatile, they call it. And I could sit, recline, watch a TV if I want to. I could put a TV here. There's the plugs. And as you see, a lot of doors. And as I said, veranda, they teach us a lot about the big windows. It's very well known about the windows. Look how big this window. Then you have 3 here in the front, 2 on the side. It's amazing. Huge closet. Again, storage closet, no issue at all. Look how big it is. A lot of doors here, there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just in that spot, storage underneath. And then you come over here. I have a room here. I could use it as a closet, or I could put, stackable washer dryer if I choose to. Some they do, some they don't. Some people they use it as a storage. Some people they purchase the washer dryer from us and we install it for them, no question asked. So it's amazing. 2 king size bed, 1 down, 1 upstairs. A game room in the upstairs for the kids or grandkids. And then you have a nice bathroom here. You have a huge bathroom. It's amazing. I mean, look how big it is. And it's 60-inch bathroom. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 shower heads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Huge. A lot of room, no issue for tall people. A shelf, I like this towel shelf. And then over here, if you look, the nice area. So I have a place for hair dryers, shaving materials, doors for his and her. Nice vanity. And as I said, with this showers, you have the long showers. Nice vents here. You could open this vent, you know, or I close it if I want to. It has even fan and so on. So it's a big showers, big bathroom. And the nice thing about the shower is in the center. So people upstairs, they could use it. People downstairs, they could use it. People from outside, they give you even the door here. So easy to get in to that bathroom. So, or you could go from all the way from the back. So there's two entrances for this veranda. It's amazing. I mean, 2 TVs, 2 ceiling fans, 3 ACs, all LED, nice modern LED, nice modern kitchen, nice modern big pantries. Oh, and I forgot to mention, this unit comes with a central vacuum. So have the dust buster over here, as well the central vacuum system. Seamless counter, I mean a lock, or they call it waterfall counter. It's amazing. A lot of things on this unit is deserved for you at least just to come and look at it and see it at Dust RV. So we have it, and again, everybody know us, Dust RV in California, very well known for low prices, no bogus fees, no hidden fees. And also, if you want us to deliver this unit in any location in the 48 state, we could do that. No question. Coming in and check the 42 Veranda.